Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiya, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 4. Look, this is our lecture number 11 and our SW number is 9. And our today's topic is letter 1 and 2. Okay? These two letters we are going to discuss today. So please everyone follow the board. Look dear students, letter number 1, look the question. Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some money for buying some books. Okay dear students, so our first letter is what? Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some money for buying some books. Dear students, look here, I have written the letter. Before starting to read the letter, I am going to say something in front of you. That is, at first we have to know the rules of it, or the rules to write a letter. Okay? And what are they? Look dear students, before writing a letter, you have to know about these rules. They are, at first you have to write date, okay, date, month and year's name. Okay, then you have to write your own address. Then you have to write salutation or greeting. Look dear students, here greeting is the most important part of a letter. You have to use dear when the recipient's name or title is known. Okay, then dear students, you have to write the body of the letter, okay, like this way. Then you have to write the complimentary clause of the letter. Then you have to write your signature here. Then at last you have to draw a stamp, and there you have to write your own address and the recipient's address too. Okay. Now I am going to start our today's topic. Okay. So our first letter was what? Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some money for buying some books. Look dear students, follow this. You have to write like this way. Okay. 1st April 2021. Then you have to write your own address. Then look, this letter, you are going to write this letter to your father. For this reason, you have to write here, my dear father. Okay, so what I have done, I have written here, my dear father, I got your letter yesterday. I am happy that you are well. I am also fine. You will be glad to know that I have stood first in the annual examination. Our new class will begin very soon. Now I have to buy some new books. So I need 1000 taka. Please send me the money soon. With best regards to you and mother. Then you have to write complimentary clause. Your loving daughter. Here is your signature. You have to write your loving daughter Fida. Okay. Then you have to draw the stamp. In the left side of the stamp, you have to write here your own address. From Fida, Dhaka. Okay. Then in the right side you have to write here recipient's address. Okay. Here you have to write recipient's address to Mr. Hassan Silhat. Okay. You can write here your own father's name and address. So like this way you have to write the letter. So what I have said you have to maintain some rules to write a letter. At first you have to write the date properly. In which date you are going to write this letter, you have to write here the date, that date. Then you have to write your own address. Then salutation or greetings. That means this letter you are going to write to your father. For this reason you have to write here, my dear father. Then you have to write the letter, the body of the letter. Then you have to write complimentary clause and your sign. Okay. Then you have to draw this stem. Okay, now dear students, this is about our letter number 1 or our first letter. Now I am going to read second letter. Look, the question is here. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to join a picnic. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to join a picnic. Okay dear students, look dear students, here I have written this answer. Look, at first you have to write the date, 1st April 2021. You have to write the date like this way, okay. Then you have to write here your own address. Here I have written 2/A Bonogram, Wari, Dhaka. Then look, this letter you are going to write to your friends. So here you can write your any friend's name, okay. I have written here Amit. Look, dear Amit, you will be glad to know that we are going to have a picnic on the 15th instant. We have decided to go to Sonargaon. We have decided to go to Sonargaon. Rima, Shima and some of our friends will join us. I hope that you will join too. No more today, with best wishes and love. Then, lovingly yours, Lavin. Then you have to write the stem. And in the left side, you have to write your own address, and in the right side, you have to write recipient's address. Okay. So, I am going to read this once again. Dear Amit, you will be glad to know that we are going to have a picnic on the 15th instant. We have decided to go to Sonargaon. We have decided to go to Sonargaon. Rima, Shima and some of our friends will join us. I hope that you will join too. No more today, with best wishes and love. Lovingly yours, Lavin. Then you will draw this stem. Okay, so dear students, like this way you have to finish these two letters. You have to write like this way, and your SW is letter 2. Okay, letter 2 is your SW, and you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Do your SW properly. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.